Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python language programming series, we are in a video where we need to learn about variable. Okay, still now we have understand how the print works and what is input output and what is a language and why we need a compiler or interpreter. All these things I have covered. Now we are going to learn what is the need of variable. First I will cover the need, why we are going to learn something. Then I will give the solution for learning, and then I will teach you what is this or what is that, and I will make sure you learn some examples and everything. Okay, now we have print. Okay, for example, one second. We have print. If you write some print hello, it will print something on the screen like hello only. It will print, correct? Why it will print hello? Because we wrote hello. Computer will not think anything, it will just print hello. Nice, correct. Next, what happened means, in Windows you will get hello your name like this is going on. Okay, after some days people want to keep password password. Okay, people want to keep password. Like, for example, you will get like this in the computer or somewhere, enter password. So if you keep password hello, sorry, for example, if you keep password some random word, for example 231256, this is my password. In Windows, if I enter 23156, then it should log in, or every time it should log in. If I press 23156, then only it should log in, correct? For example, if I don't enter 62315, will it log in? No, right? If I enter 23156, then only it should log in. If something else, it should not log in. If I type hello today, tomorrow if I type bye, it should log in. It should not log in. Every time it must be same. Then only, or else if I can log in all your Instagram accounts and I can play with your accounts. Correct? I don't know your password, so that only I am not entering, or else I can enter into all of your passwords and I can do all nonsense things. In this entire world, everyone can do all the nonsense if password is not there. Correct? Even Wi-Fi also, everyone will start. No one will take a Wi-Fi subscription. Everyone will use beside home Wi-Fi only. Why? No password, so I can use happily. This is the thing going on. So that we need to keep some password. Now, what is the problem by keeping password? Computer know only print. It don't know anything. If print only it knows, it will print something. But 2315, it is password or not? How can I know? Today you enter 123, tomorrow you enter 2315. How can I know? So that I need to store this information. Store this information in the computer. Store it. For example, if you are in a class, I came, some, you are sitting, I told, please remember 1 2 3 4 5 6. I came day after tomorrow and I am asking what I told day before yesterday. You will tell that, you will recall from your brain, oh, yesterday, day before yesterday, Sir came and he told something, this brother came and he told something, and what he told, 1 2 3 4 5 6, correct? So they will tell. Means how you are telling, human brain, how it is doing, it is storing somewhere, and when I am asking again, it is fetching back and it is giving, correct? Similarly, in computer also, it will store. This is the reason why we need to, what is the need of variable. I will tell you variable, still variable not came. We need to store information. Okay, store. In this, I think whenever you purchase mobile, you have some RAM, sorry, memory, 128 GB, 256 GB. What is this? This is used to store. If you install WhatsApp, it will store somewhere. Tomorrow, if you come back, it will be there now in your mobile. It will be there. Correct? Why? Because it is storing. For example, contacts. If you feed my contact today, tomorrow also it will be there only, right? Will it be deleted? No. Why? Because it is storing in the computer. Similarly, if you are storing, there is a memory. Okay, memory. This is your memory of your mobile. Okay, how memory will be? It will be like this boxes. Okay, see, this is for your understanding. I am making it very easy. Memory, and whenever there is memory, this is all created by computer scientists only. Na? What they know in your society, how we are living, how we are, they will try to do. For example, if I tell to do something, how you will do based on your experiences only, you will do the task. Similarly, what they kept means, they know how. For example, how you will tell where you are living, some street, some flat number, some apartment name like this. Na? So for this also they kept address. This is 10, this is 11, this is 12, this is 13, this is 14, this is 15, this is 16, like this they kept address. Why? Because they only developed this. Some human being only created this language, some human being only created this memory. So they did this, they kept address. So whenever I told to store password, this is the password. So whenever I told to store this password, someone has stored in this here 23156. Someone has stored here, correct? Whenever I told the password, computer, this is the password. Store it. Store it. You keep it with you. Tomorrow I will come back and I will ask what is the password. So tomorrow if I enter something here 23156, it will match. It will match with the password present in the memory. If both are matching, then only you will be allowed inside, or else it will catch your call and it will throw outside. It will tell get out, get out. You are not going to come inside. You are get out. It will tell like this. So whenever both are matching, it will allow. If both are not matching, it will throw you out. Similarly, here you are storing somewhere, right? How can you remember? Computer, for example, here you are storing some X password, some Y's password, some Z password. For Instagram, you think how many passwords they will maintain. Some X password here is here, some Y password is here, some Z password is here. For example, X is entering, it will check with X password. If Y is entering, they will check with Y password. Why? Because see in Chrome, you will go Instagram.com. For example, today I log in my mobile, there will be only one password. Tomorrow we are going using internet, so there are unlimited many passwords. So that we need to keep some name of this password. This is X username password. This is Y username password. This is Z username password. So that you will get three different tags. Tag, basically a tag you are giving. This memory location is very hard na. Again, human being cannot understand, cannot remember. He don't use his more brain. He don't waste his brain by remembering 23156 is the password of some X stored in 123 location. He will not waste like this. So he kept name. For example, he stored some password 123256. Its address is 20. I cannot remember 20. It's very nonsense, time waste. So he kept name. What is the name of the address? X. So whenever I ask the computer what is the password stored in X, it will tell 123 256. If I ask what is the value stored at address 20, it will tell 123256. Correct. Similarly, it is like two names for same thing. Two names, one is 20 and one is X. 20 is for computer purpose, in memory where it is stored. X is for human purpose, how we stored some value 123256. Where it is stored? It is stored at the location 20. And what is the name? X. So whenever X is logging into the computer, he will enter the password 23156. What computer will do? In memory, it will check X password something is there. If X password and this password both are matching, it will allow come inside. If both are not matching, it will send outside. So this is a concept of variable. What is meant by variable? In memory, I am making it one more time. In memory, there is one memory location, some 231, see 231,256. This is the value, and memory address is, it will be big address. For your understanding, I kept only one digit. It will be big. So in memory, this is the memory. In this, there is one memory location. This is memory location. What is the address? 23102 is the address. What is the value inside address? 231,256. So we are keeping name. The name of this thing is password. Okay, password. What is the value of password? 23156. So similarly, I want to write this in English statement. A named memory location is variable. That's all. What is a variable? In memory, we have address numbers, normally numbers. So we are giving a name. We are doing naming ceremony for some memory. Naming ceremony. What is we are doing? A named memory location. Normally memory locations are numbers. We are giving a name, so that a named memory location is nothing but a variable. So this is theory. Normally if you read separate and this one separate, it will take some time. First I make your concept clear, so then I told what is meant by what is the definition. So now it is very simple, right? What is a variable? In memory, there is something, a location. For that, the address is in numerical. But here, for human understanding or for human easy purpose, we are giving English name. So a named location inside memory is known as variable. That's all. This much simple. And why we use variables? To store some information. to store some information, we are using a variable. There must be hundreds and thousands of definitions, different definitions. In one reference book you will get one definition, in some other you will get different one. You can follow one thing, it is fine. Okay, a named memory location is known as variable. Okay, I hope variable concept is clear. And in the code, how you will write this? Just simple. Okay, small, very easy. Just if you write a is equals to 10, a is equals to 10, right hand side is the value, left hand side is the variable name. Okay, if you use is equals to operator, right hand side is the value and left hand side is the variable name. Okay, if you write like this in the code, if you write like this, a equal to 10, then computer what you will think, in a memory, in some location it will store 10 and name of the variable is a. Okay, now print a. Okay, print a. Clear? Print a. What it will do? It will go check in the memory. If 10 is there, it will bring, and in the output screen you will get 10. Okay, this is the thing computer does. And you may got that some doubt. For example, print hello. Hello is not there. How can I do? But I mean, hello means print hello, but here it is checking inside memory. So this disturbance came. Then scientists again think how to overcome this issue. So that they told, whenever you want to print something, just use double quotes. If you write something inside double quotes, then computer will not process it. It will not check inside memory some hello is there or not. It will not check anything. Directly it will print. If you print double quotes inside that, if you print your head, if you keep your head also, it will print head. Nothing it will do. If you print buffalo, it will just print buffalo only. Okay, so print hello. Now this is the correct syntax. If you use double quotes, then only it will print. If you don't use double quotes, hello, if you write like this, what it will do means, it will go inside memory. Is there any memory location named hello? Is there any location? Till now in the code we haven't specified any memory location, so it will throw that error saying that, "Arey bhaiya, I don't know what is meant by hello. You are telling to print hello. How can I print?" This is the thing. What is error means? Computer cannot complete the code because of some information is missing. So like this, many errors will come. So make sure that, so whenever you want to print something which is for human, no need to process it by computer, just print it. Use double quotes. In your computer keyboard you will find double quotes, some keyword is there. So if you write print hello, what it will do? In the output screen you will get hello. Okay, again if I write a equal to 10, what it will do? It will create a memory. In this it will store 10 and the name of the memory is a. It will do memory. Okay, memory. So again I write print in double quotes a. Okay, double quotes a, comma a, what it will do? For first, if double quotes is there, computer will close its eyes. It will tell you just take, I will not do anything. If double quotes is there, what it will do? It will just print a. Okay, it will print a, comma, next means some space, comma, it will give some space. Next, a is there. Oh, a double quotes not there, then I should process. It will go inside memory. It will check. Okay, a is there. What is the a value? 10. Okay, it will give 10. Okay, a, some space, 10 you will get in the front end, in the display output. Similarly, again I write a is equals to 10 plus 10. Computer know all these things, plus, minus, into, star, division, all these things it know. Then again you write print a. This time double quotes is there. Not there. So computer will go inside, but before coming this line executed na, I told, right? Computer will come line by line. Okay, first line, what it will do? Print hello. So print hello done. Next line, a equal to 10. So in memory it will create some 10. It will print 10. Okay, now similarly here, see, print double quotes a. So a will be printed. Again a is there. A means inside memory 10 is there, so it will print 10. Next, coming to next line, they told a is equals to 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10, what is 10 plus 10? 20. It will make a as 20. Then again They told print a. What is the a value? Now a value is 20. So in the output it will print 20. Okay. Now this is clear. I hope I made you made understand how the print statement, what is variable, how to print the variable value. I made all these concepts clear in Python programming language. And first simple one assignment, okay, one assignment, small assignment. A is equals to 10. Here the start of program. SOP means start of program. Before what is there? Computer will not think. From this line only it will think. A is equals to 10. B is equals to 10. We'll take 100. B is equals to 100. Okay. Print hi. Next, print a comma b. Okay. Next, b is equals to a plus b. Okay. Next again, print a comma b. Now how this program will execute? If you know this answer, you can skip this video because you understand very clear. But if you don't understand, please once I will solve it, just listen. Whenever first line will execute, what it will make? In the memory, it will create a as variable and some value 10. Similarly, b. Next line, second line, b 100. It will make b as 100. Third line came. Third line, what it will do? It will print hi on the screen. Correct? Hi on the screen it will print. In the desktop, sorry, in the display monitor, I will get hi. Next, what is the line? Print a comma b. A double quotes is there or not there? A double quotes not there. Double quotes not there. It will go inside memory, and what is the value? 10 is there. So it will print 10. Next, b. B double quotes is there. Double quotes not there, na. So it will go inside memory. What is b value? 100. So b value it will make 100. Okay. Now see this line. It is very interesting. Now here we have a. Here we have a. It will bring a value. What is a? 10. Next, b. What is b? 100. 10 plus 100, it is 110. So it will make b value as 110. So it will make b value as 110. Coming to next line. So print a. What is a value? 10, right? So it will print 10. Now next, what is b value? It is in the memory, it is 110. So it will print 110. So this is the output of the program. I hope it is very clear and very simple. And equal to operator, whenever equal to operator is there, first right side thing will be evaluated. First right thing will be evaluated and it will come to left hand side. I think in max also we'll do same. So one assignment means one homework, small homework. This is the start of program. From here compiler will start. Python program will start. Print hello. A is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20, and print double quotes b, double quotes b and a, and print double quotes b comma b double quotes a comma double quotes a comma a. So in the output, what should I get? Can you write me in the comments? I will feel very happy if you write correct. Even though it is wrong, even though if you have doubt, please write. If some people who are watching the video, they may correct it, or else I will correct it. Somehow we are growing, right? We are day by day, we are understanding. Yesterday you don't know what is Python programming language. Today you know at least what is Python, what is input, what is printf, you know. Somehow today you are able to write some output, at least right or wrong. You are able to understand what the print works, how the print works. So feel happy you got to understand what is printf. So in further videos, we will go some more further and we will explore different aspects of Python programming language. I hope I cleared all your doubts regarding the variable. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a small comment. It will motivate me a lot. I will feel very happy if you do a small comment also. And if you like this video, share with your friends. Okay. Thank you for watching.